Yes, children. So, coming to our exercise part. Okay. First exercise is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Which is our first question? Read it, children. Come, children, read. Name the 3 types in which animals can be divided on the basis of their food habits. Which are the 3 groups or 3 categories where we can divide the animals based on the food habits? Which are they, children? Yes, tell me. Based on the food habits, animals can be classified as herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay, children. Once more I'll read. Based on the food habits, animals can be classified as herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay. Yes, children. So our next question, second question is, what is our second question, children? What kind of teeth do grass eating animals have? Children, read the question. What kind of teeth do grass eating animals have? Grass eating animals are also known as plant eating animals or herbivores. So, what kind of teeth do herbivorous animals have? Yes. The grass eating animals, also known as herbivores, have strong, broad, sharp and biting teeth in the front and grinding means chewing teeth at the back with some space in between. So, the grass eating animals, also known as herbivores, have strong, broad, sharp and biting teeth in the front and grinding or chewing, we say chewing teeth at the back with some space in between. Okay, children. Our next question, coming to our third question. Okay, children, read the question, all of you. What is our third question? What is cud chewing? What is cud chewing? Give 2 examples of animals which chew cud. Do you remember? Which are the animals that do in this process chewing the cud? Yes, tell me, children. Yeah, cows. One example, isn't it? Then you have already learned in the lesson, isn't it, children? So think and answer, okay? First we will read it. Okay, cow, buffalo, these are the animals do this chewing the cud process. Okay, so coming to the answer, animals like cow and buffalo swallow their food and slowly, after a while, means after a few seconds, after a while, bring it back to the mouth out of the stomach and start chewing it. This is known as chewing the cud. So what is chewing the cud? Animals like cow and buffalo swallow the food and slowly, after a while, bring it back to the mouth from the stomach and start chewing it. This is known as chewing the cud. Children, now coming to the fourth question. Yes, children, read this question. Fourth question. How do snakes eat the food? How do snakes eat the food? Snakes swallow the food without chewing. So, how do snakes eat the food, children? Snakes swallow the food without chewing. Okay, now the next question, the fifth question. What is the fifth question, children? Come on, read. What kind of tongue does a butterfly have? Do you know what kind of tongue a butterfly have? Yes, we learned, isn't it? Butterflies have tongues which are similar to long coiled tubes. Okay, butterflies have tongues which are similar to long coiled tubes. Okay, children? Yes, children. Coming to our last question, sixth question. Why should we take care of domestic animals? I said to you, we should take care of domestic animals. We should give protection to them, good food to them, isn't it? So, why? Why should we take care of domestic animals? Domestic animals help us a lot. They are useful to us, they are helpful to us. They are giving us milk, egg, meat, wool, etc. So, domestic animals help us a lot. They need to be taken great care so that they can stay healthy. So we should care them so that they can stay healthy, active, isn't it? So domestic animals help us a lot. They need to be taken great care so that they can stay healthy. Okay, children? Yes, children. So coming to our next exercise, fill up the following blanks. Okay. In your textbook, there is a clue kit given. From that clue kit, you have to see the answer, which is the correct answer, and you have to write here. You have to fill up. The first question is, the cow is a dash eating animal. In the clue kit, we have carnivores, herbivores, growth and energy, nectar, plant. So, which is the right answer, children? The cow is a... Yes, tell me. The cow is a plant eating animal. Yes, the cow is a plant eating animal or grass eating animal, we say, isn't it? Second question, the butterfly sucks dash from flowers. See the clue kit. The butterfly sucks. Think, the butterfly sucks a sweet liquid, isn't it? It's called nectar. Butterfly sucks nectar from flowers. Third one, animals need food for dash and dash. Just like us, animals also need food. Why they need food? For, yes, growth and energy. Animals need food to grow or for growth and energy. Okay, children, next question, fourth question. Dash are plant eating animals. Carnivores or herbivores? Which are plant eating animals? Yes, herbivores are plant eating animals. Yes, herbivores. Okay, last question, last fill in the blanks. What is the question? Read, children. Come on. Fifth question is, dash are flesh eating animals. The one is left behind here is what? Or what are flesh eating animals? Herbivores, carnivores or omnivores? Yes, carnivores are flesh eating animals. Carnivores. Okay. Carnivores are flesh eating animals. So, the first fill up is, the cow is a dash eating animal. The cow is a plant eating animal. Second one, the butterfly sucks dash from flowers. The butterfly sucks nectar from flowers. Third one, animals need food for dash and dash. Animals need food for growth and energy. Dash are plant eating animals. Herbivores are plant eating animals. Dash are flesh eating animals. Carnivores are flesh eating animals. Yes, children, our next exercise, the C exercise. Find out animals in the word maze. In the word maze. So, children, in your textbook, you can see the image in the textbook. Letters are given, capital letters are given. So, there you have to find the names of animals. Some names of animals are hidden there. You have to find it. That you should do by yourself. Okay, try to find the names of animals in that grid given. We say word maze. So many letters are there. It connects a word actually. So you have to find out. Okay, children. Next exercise. Exercise D. Look at the following pictures and fill in the table given below. Look at the following pictures. Some pictures are given, children, in your textbook. You have to look at the pictures and you have to fill in the table. Okay, you have to fill in the table. One table is given, there you have to fill. First is, which animal picture is given there, children? The first picture is, yes, tell me. Yeah, it is horse, isn't it? Horse. Okay. Is it a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Tell me, thinking, tell which animal is horse. This animal comes under which group? Herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? It is a herbivore, isn't it? The horse comes under herbivore, isn't it? Herbivore. Okay. Now, what are the foods they eat? Third column, the food they eat. They eat, yes, grass. Okay. Herbivores eat or horse eat grass, we say, because they are plant eating animal. Okay, children. So, the first picture is horse. Okay. So, it is a herbivore and the food they eat is grass. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Which animal picture is given there? Yes, tiger. Okay. Tiger, is it an omnivore or carnivore or herbivore? It is a flesh-eating animal. So it is a carnivore. Okay. Tiger is a carnivore. Okay. What food they eat? They eat the flesh of animals. Flesh of animals. Okay, children. So the second picture is tiger. It is a carnivore. Tiger eat flesh of the animals. Which is the third picture shown there? The third picture. Yes, lion. Okay, lion. Is it a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? It is a carnivore. Okay. Food they eat is same. What is this? Flesh of animals. Lion also eat flesh of animals. Isn't it, children? Okay. So lion is also a carnivore. It eats the flesh of animals. Children, now next picture is, we finished up to 3, isn't it? First it was horse, then tiger, then lion. Now coming to the next picture, Which picture is shown there? Yes, it is a crow. Okay. Is it a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? It is an omnivore. It is an omnivore. Okay. And what about the food they eat? They eat both plants and flesh. So, plant and flesh. Plant and flesh. Okay, children? It is crow. The fourth picture is crow. It is an omnivore. It eats both plant and flesh. Now, next picture. What is the picture there? It is a frog. Yes, it is a frog. Now, is it a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? It is an omnivore, children. Omnivore. Okay. And you know, it eats insects. Insects. The main food we say it's insects. Okay. Now coming to the next picture. It is what? What picture is that? Yes, cow. Cow is a herbivore. It is a herbivore. Okay, what food they eat? They eat grass. Isn't it? Yes. Then coming to the last picture. It's a picture of a small boy, isn't it? So, it's a picture of a boy, we say. Boy. Okay. Boy is a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Which one comes under? Which category? Omnivore. Okay. What food they eat? The boy eat both plant and flesh. Both plants and animals. Isn't it? Okay, children. So that exercise is completed. Yes, children. Our next exercise is exercise number E. Write yes or no for the following statements. So given below are some statements. You have to read it. You have to see whether the statement is correct or not. If it is correct, you have to write yes. If it is a wrong statement, then you have to write no. Okay. Our first statement is animals can make their own food. Is it true, children? Do animals make food by themselves? The statement is correct or wrong? The statement is wrong. Animals cannot make their own food. But they have given what? Animals can make their own food. The answer is no. Because animals cannot make the food. Second statement is plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals are herbivores. Herbivores means what? They are plant-eating animals. So the answer is yes. Okay, children. Answer is yes. Now third question. Horses help us in carrying goods. Some animals help us to carry our loads like goods, some things. So do horses help us in doing that? Yes or no? The statement is right or wrong? The statement is right. So the answer is yes. Okay. Now the fourth one. A frog swallows its food. Is it right or wrong? Frogs, snakes and all, how they eat the food? They simply swallow it. So the statement is right. So the answer is yes. Now the last statement. Horses are kept in kennel. Is it true, children? What is the home of a horse? Home of a horse is stable, not kennel. Who lives in kennel? Yes, dog lives in a kennel. So here they have given horses are kept in kennel. It is a wrong statement. So the answer is no. Okay. Yes. So animals can make their own food. Statement is wrong. So answer is no. Plant-eating animals are herbivores. Yes. Horses helps us in carrying goods. The statement is right. So answer is yes. A frog swallows its food. Yes. Horses are kept in kennel. No, the statement is wrong. Now coming to the next exercise, exercise number F, choose the odd one out. Here they have given a few animals. In this group, which one is not suited, which one is not friend of other, you have to cut it or you have to choose that animal. Okay. First one, cow, buffalo, horse, lion. Among these four animals, cow is a herbivorous animal. It eats only plants. Buffalo is also a herbivorous animal. Eat only plants. What about horse? Horse eats only plants. But what about lion? It is a carnivorous animal. It eats the flesh of the animals. So this lion can't be in this group. It does not match with these three animals. So this is the odd one, lion. Now next question. Next group of animals are cow, horse, dog, tiger. Cow, herbivorous. Horse, herbivorous. What about dog, tiger? Dog is what? It is carnivores. Tiger is also carnivores. But think in another angle, in another way. Domestic animals, we say. We learned domestic animals also, isn't it? Farm animals. Animals that keep in farm. Animals which are useful to us. They are domestic animals. So in that way, cow is a domestic animal. Horse is a domestic animal. Dog is also a domestic animal. But what about tiger? No. It is a wild animal. That animal lives in jungle or forest. It does not live in the farm. So the answer is tiger. Now the third group. Let's see children. Lion, tiger, fox, giraffe. Lion, tiger. Lion is a carnivorous animal, eat the flesh. Tiger also eats flesh. Fox also eat the flesh of other animals. What about giraffe? It eat only plants. It is a herbivorous animal. All the three are carnivorous. This giraffe is a herbivorous animal. So the answer is giraffe. Okay. Yes children, next is our project work. So let us see what has given in your textbook as project. Make shelter for animals. You have to make a shelter for animals. Okay, make a shelter. For whom? For animals. Any shelter you can make according to your wish, according to the materials available at you. You can make a shelter. Dog lives in kennel, horse in stable, then hen in a coop we say. So monkeys on trees. So you can make it according to the materials available at your home. So you need 4 sheets of craft foam. Otherwise you can take roughly a size of a sheet of a paper is enough. Okay, ribbon or string you can take. Foam, stickers and letters for decorating. If you want, you can take some stickers. Paper punch to put holes in the paper. Scissors. These are the materials or things you need for this project work. So you have seen in the image you have given. You have seen, no? Yeah. So that shelter you have to make. Dog lives in a kennel, isn't it? It is a picture of a kennel. So you have to fold the form sheets. If form sheets are there, you have to fold it. Or a paper you can fold into 4. If you fold the paper into 4, then you will get 8 sheets in that. You have to cut all those 8 sheets and using a paper punch. Paper punch means to give the holes in the paper. Just like see in the image given, some holes you can see. So using paper punch you put holes in that. Then only you can put ribbon or string through that. Okay. Then connect the two of the form. Take 2 form sheet and you connect it and holes also you have to put holes. Then you have to tie them together, tie using some ribbon or thread or something. Okay, that will make the roof. You will get 8 sheets. 2 sheets you have to take for roof upper part. Then make 2 house shaped pieces for front, like a house it should look. So you have to take 2 pieces for that in the front part and also in the back in the shape of a triangle. That shape you have to cut it in the top corners for each. Then door also, for door you have to cut a sheet in the shape of a door. Then for the bottom side of the house, again you need 4 half sheets. Okay, so you have total 8. So this all 8 sheets will come for roof, door, then front, back, bottom and all. Okay, then attach the front and back of the house to the bottom and sides, attach the roof. After cutting all these things, you have to make a house for dog, a kennel. Okay, add a ribbon handle and it's ready to decorate. After making the house or a shelter, you can decorate it using stickers, etc. So that is a project work in your textbook. If some waste materials are there also, you can use that to make some other homes of animals. Okay, so children, try the project work and try to do it. Okay, thank you children.